Hey, what's going on everybody? Welcome back to the channel. So today we're going to be back onto the TRX. Today we're actually going to be installing the BlackVue dash cam that I got for this car. So for this truck, sorry, not this car. I know you guys get annoyed when I say that, but these are what we're going to be installing right here. So this is the BlackVue DR590X, and then this is also the BlackVue Magic battery pack. So I've done an unboxing video on both of these. You can go check them out like right over here. So yeah, just to give you guys a little bit of context, some piece of shit decided to take a knife to my TRX over here and leave a nice long cut all across here and then a little bit onto the fender flare. So I really like to catch the piece of shit that did that. So if he ever decides to do it again, this time I'm gonna get him on video. So yeah guys, just gonna go ahead, throw this dash camera in. I've never installed one of these before, so it's going to be a learning experience. So hopefully I can get this job done and I can make it easier for any of you guys out there that are looking to do the same thing. So yeah, let's go ahead and get into it. So there's a lot of ways you could go about installing these things. You could go ahead, just mount this on the windshield, and you see this right here. It's the cigarette adapter that plugs into the cigarette lighter. Then you just go ahead and plug this directly right into the camera. And really all you would have to do is, if you were just looking for a very basic setup where you wanted, you weren't really too concerned with park mode or anything like that, you just wanted it for security while you're driving. See right there, that's the only I guess like 12 volt DC plug that's kind of like the cigarette lighter in the TRX. I was really hoping there would be another one like down here or tucked away in the glove box. That'd make it, super simple for what I want to do. But if you're looking for just a very basic install, all you have to do is plug that in right there, mount your camera right there, run that wire to it, and there you go, your dash cam's installed. That's really all there is to it. Now obviously if you want to go ahead and you're like kind of anal like I am, you don't want like a little cord going from here to there, then you could go ahead, you can route it across here, down here, and then somehow get it, brought over to where it wants to be over here, just to, kind of, make it look cleaner. But if you're just looking for, very simple solution, you want a dash cam, you don't really care about all this, it's legit like a 5-minute install. Plug in here, plug it in there, put your SD card in, download the app, get it all synced up, and your dash cam's good to go. But yeah, I just wanted to go ahead and show you guys that really quick, because that's the power supply we're going to be tapping into. And like I had mentioned earlier, I'm more so installing this for parking mode, so I can go ahead and record just while like I'm at the gym, or if I'm running into the store real quick, anything kind of like that. So that's why I'm going to be running it off of the battery pack. So you'll see when I go ahead and actually install this, but the battery pack is going to be plugging into the actual cigarette lighter that will charge this battery pack while the car is turned on while we're driving. So then when we go ahead and we leave the car, we turn it off, the battery pack will have obviously it'll have some power, and then it can power the actual camera itself directly off of the battery pack, and it won't be running off of like some auxiliary power, or it won't drain your car's battery, anything like that. So once again, this is for the camera over here. You could go ahead and just plug this in directly to your car, plug it into the camera, and it's going to be working. But if you're running the battery pack, you get this that plugs into the lighter over here. Then you get another connection right here that plugs into the camera, and then there you go. There is your full order of connections there. You might not be able to see it, but I have the camera mounted right there. You might not be able to see it because of that glare, but let me come in here and you can see got the camera mounted right there. And you can see I've started to route the line. You can see I use one of the little like tab pieces that they give you right there. Check out my unboxing video if you don't know what I'm talking about, but used one of them right there just to kind of keep that cable real tight. And then I ran it up behind the headliner up here. Super simple to run that. Really, you could just more or less push it back in there, and then you can kind of see right here I got the cable that's sticking out right here that runs along across this way, and then I went ahead and tucked it behind this little stripping right here, and then you can see got the cable coming out right here, and then this is all the excess cable that I still need to tuck. For over here, the BlackVue Magic battery pack fits very nicely in this little compartment right there. Obviously I still have this cable coming out right through here. This isn't the cleanest install. Really what I kind of want to do is relocate this actual plug to inside here. It'd be really cool if I could go ahead, just kind of like cut a little piece right here and then go ahead and relocate that to right there. But I just wanted to go ahead and just do a quick mock-up right here. You can see I have the battery pack in there that's charging right now. This is just a temporary setup, but again, it's not, you know, it's not the worst setup right there, because really all you're gonna see is just that one little cord right there running. But again, I really want to try and make this like super clean, so I'm gonna go ahead and try and, you know, either route this through there and then I can plug it in, or just relocate that. But yeah, that's where we're at so far. We got the camera mounted. We got a lot of this ran up through here. Luckily, because we have a black headliner in here, it's super easy to try and hide this cord. But yeah, so far so good, guys. And I'll check in with you guys in a little bit. Also included in the kit are these little pieces of Velcro, so you could go ahead and, you know, Velcro this actual battery pack wherever you wanted to. Or it has a little removable tray right here that you could actually go ahead and drill into any sort of plastic if you wanted to. I'm not gonna drill, I'm just gonna use this Velcro, and I'm just gonna stick it down in here so that way it doesn't, you know, roll around when I'm jumping this motherfucker. So another quick status update over here. So you can see we got the camera all mounted. We got power to the camera right here. Obviously this is the route I decided to go. Just run that little wire right up here and then tucked it all back here. Ran this cable across over here to this side. Tucked it between this little piece right here, all the way down. You can see, keep running all the way down here, and then you can see the wire crosses over. What I went ahead and did was push this down, and then you can disconnect the actual glove box. You see there's like a one little hinge right over here. You just kind of got to push that over and this will drop. What I decided to do was run the wire. You can see, right, that I have right here. I have it ran behind over here, so you can see that one wire that's running up right there, that wire. So that's running there. This piece right here, super easy to remove. You just grab it, kind of pull on it a little bit, and it will dislodge it, as you can see. And then I just ran that one wire that's behind the glove box right through there, right into here. So got the Magic battery pack sitting in here right now. You can see that cable. You just go ahead, click that right back into position. Cable's perfectly fine right there. And then everything else nice and neatly tucked away inside this little cubby hole. So again, you could go ahead and stop right here, leave this how it is, because honestly, that's, look at it from like back here, it's hardly noticeable, honestly. But like I was mentioning earlier, my main goal is to try and relocate this outlet to right inside here, so it's just plug in directly to right there, and then we don't even see any of this. But so far this was, you know, relatively easy, guys. Full disclosure, I'm not a professional, guys. I'm a hobbyist. This is my first time even installing a dash cam. I just wanted to try and make it as clean and easy and effortless as possible, and I think this is a very easy way of doing so. Just running the wire up here nice and neat, just running it right back here, dropping it down to the floor, tucking it behind the glove box, and then installing everything right here. This was an unused little cubby anyway. All I really had was just some tissues in there, so, you know, no big deal. I could easily throw that back in there and close it, and it's perfectly fine. But yeah, I think it's all nice that we can tuck everything in here. It's all nice and neat. And again, that's the only, as of right now, the only cable. But I'm gonna go ahead and download the app for all this and get this all synced to my phone so I can go ahead and make the correct adjustments, and I'll show you guys that when I'm done with it. All right, guys, so went ahead and synced the camera to the phone app over here. I'll go ahead and show you guys, but just wanted to go ahead and show you guys real quick. Now again, this is temporary. I'm going to do a little bit more research. I don't really feel like removing all of this right now to you know, get behind here and everything, so that's going to be in another video, probably when I go ahead and install the second camera. So this was just the first camera. So this is the forward facing camera. We're also going to get one that covers the rear. But just, you know, quick overview real quick. Got the magic battery pack all tucked away inside here. This is the actual power cord going to the camera. That's all nice and tucked away. So super simple. So we'll come over here, get onto the phone app. Let me turn you away. Then right down here, see BlackVue App right there. We go ahead and click that, and as you can see, I've gone ahead and named this camera TRX frontward camera. You go ahead, join the Wi-Fi connection right there, and we should sync up pretty soon. There we go. And as you can see, it's already in park mode right now. So these are all the clips that it has taken. Obviously there's quite a bit of clips right now because I'm walking back and forth, and this thing does have a sensor on it, but you could go ahead to live view right down there, and as you can see, we got a live view of the actual camera. So let's go ahead for a little walk. You can see we'll go right in front over here, and yep, there I am. Yep, look at that guy. Look at that guy right there. Yep, that's me. So yeah, guys, pretty simple install if I do say so myself. And again, there's probably 100 ways you could go about doing this, probably ways better than mine, but hey, I'm gonna show you guys the way I do it, and if it works for me, maybe it'll work for some of you guys out there. And if anyone has some tips or some things that I'm missing or any bit of advice, please drop it down below in the comment section. I don't know everything, I'm learning, I'm just like you guys. So if you have any bit of information, please comment down below, I'm all ears. But yeah, that's gonna do it for this one, guys. Quick install of the BlackVue dash cam on my 2021 Ram TRX. If you like the TRX, you like mod videos, you like stuff like this, how about you go ahead and hit that subscribe button down below. We're a small channel, but we're growing, and every time I get a new subscriber, it just makes me happy. I'm totally stoked to see that. So go ahead, guys, hit that subscribe button down below, and hit that like button too if you like the video. So guys, that's gonna do it. My name's Will, this is the WiMi YouTube channel, and I'll see you guys in the next one. Later.